All right, so what's going on, guys? In this YouTube video, I'm going to be assembling a bike for one of my clients. He also requested a 17-inch rear wheel and Magura Mt7 Pros for a rear brake. So without further ado, let's get started. That's so cool. That's it, small clips. There we go. Woo! Looks so nice. All right, that's it. It feels good. All right, let's finish it up. That's fine. All right, as you guys can see, it's built. I went ahead and finally threw the wheel on there, foot pegs, XXS headlight, throttle, brakes, fully assembled it. Even has a little display on there. It's really nice. Now all there's left to do is get rid of this ducktail. Client doesn't want it. Basically just has the turn signals and a brake light. It has an actual brake light that works once you press the brakes. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that and remove the ducktail. We're gonna install Mt7 Pros for the rear, and later on we're gonna install, or later tonight or probably tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna install that 17-inch supermoto wheel, which is over here. There it is, on the back. That way it gives it that nice aggressive stance. But so far it's coming out amazing, dude. Look at this beauty. You can never go wrong with a Talaria Sting R. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's finish up. And yeah, we finally lined up the Magura Mt7 Pros. Lined it up, wired it. It's going through there. We just gotta clean up the wires, but there's the caliper. Looks really nice with those 220mm rotors. Really gonna make a big difference with the braking power for sure over these stock brakes. All right, guys, we're finally done. I went ahead and installed the Mt7 Pro brake. I already bled it and everything. Feels really nice compared to the stock. I mean, these things are just, I don't like them. I mean, you could tell the big difference. Like, look at that. So yeah, next is installing that 17-inch rear wheel on the back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue that doing tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing that tomorrow, or I'll probably just cut over to it. Not sure yet, but that on there. So yeah. All right, I also went ahead and took the ducktail off. Looks way cleaner like that. This is the build so far. Don't mind the dirty towel. All right, guys, so we made it to the destination, which is San Antonio. We're just waiting on our client to let us know when he arrives. That way we can deliver his bike. But yeah, we finished up throwing the 17-inch trial tire in the back. The Maguras as well, Mt7 Pros. We paired them with the stock Talaria 220mm rotor, which is insane. But yeah, check out this bike, guys. What do you guys think about it? It's a Sting R, but it is a UK version, so it had the ducktail back here. I went ahead and removed that. But here, let me climb on. It does have this beautiful display, and then it has all these buttons. Like, for example, it has the turn signals, which we don't need because we don't have the turn signals on right now. I went ahead and removed them. Let it focus. It has the high and low beam, and the mode switcher for sport and eco mode is right there. So it's a little different than your normal Talaria, but it is super worth it. So yeah, sorry for the mess. We're eating Popeyes, but yeah, check out that Talaria XXX headlight on this Sting R. It looks amazing, in my opinion. So yeah, we'll meet up with the customer, deliver it, and let you guys know how it goes. All right, so we're driving back now. We've delivered it to the customer. He was extremely satisfied. I'll throw in a picture there of that we took of, you know, us three, the bike, him and I. So we'll go ahead and throw that in there. And I wish I would have recorded his reaction. Him and his buddies were there, and they were just having a freaking blast. They absolutely loved how the bike felt. They were in love as soon as I pulled up. So yeah, thank you so much for that guy, for Ricardo, for, you know, giving me an opportunity and actually showing him that I am a real distributor and not a scammer, and, you know, for believing in me. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I have 3 more available. They're the same thing, Talaria Sting R's, the UK version, so they come with everything I just showed in the video. But yeah, we're on to the next one, and peace out.